Welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this Java object-oriented programming playlist, we will learn OOPS concepts from the scratch. This is Java OOPS programming session number 79. Why do we need encapsulation? If you are confident about learning, then like the video and subscribe to the channel for more update. Please click the bell icon and choose all notification option. Don't choose personalized option. You may miss some session updates. Let's get started. In our previous session, we have discussed about what is the encapsulation. So it means wrapping data, that is combining data and methods together into a single entity and protecting the data from direct access by the outside people. Simple words, encapsulation is equal to data hiding plus control access. We're hiding the data and then we are maintaining the controlled access. So who can access? We are deciding. Only authorized persons can decide it. Next, coming to the today agenda. So why do we need encapsulation? What happens without encapsulation? It's an important thing because instead of what, you should know why. Okay. So why we are using encapsulation? What is the problem already existing? That is what now we are going to discuss. Anyone can change the data. No validation, no security, breaks the business rule. It's not up to the industry standards. All these points we'll discuss with the real time example. Then you can able to easily understand what happens without encapsulation. So here anyone can change the data means example. I'm maintaining the balance as some uh, 5 or 6 digit big value. Okay, here it looks like 99 lakh 99,999 value. Any part of the program by the help of object reference variable. Here ACC is the object reference variable. I can able to easily modify as okay ACC balances we already having 99 lakh 99,999. So instead of that I can modify as like a minus value, or I can go with some bigger value 10 crores or 15 crores by the help of this object reference variable. Anyone can access them, right? ACC dot balance equal to any can modify like this. If that balance is public access modifier, if that balance is already maintaining as a public access modifier, anyone can modify it because we are having the access modifier as public. So by the help of what is it object reference variable, we can able to easily modify it. No restriction exists. So unauthorized modification, it looks like without a pattern or pin number or password for a mobile phone, anyone can access, am I right? So it like accidental mistakes, data becomes unreliable. A customer should not directly read the bank database service. Am I right? Example: we are in the some ABC bank. We are the customer of that ABC bank. So they are allowing us to modify the balance. Whatever user can miss, they can fill the balance with what will happen. Huge loss for the company. Am I right? So it should not happen like this. Anyone, if are accessing like this, it will be a big problem. So no one should access just like that the data members. Okay, authorized person should only access. That is what you are telling, data hiding plus controlled access. So this data should not be visible to the user. Next, no validation. Suppose business rule says balance can't be negative, they are not allowing the negative balance. Without encapsulation, what you can do, because there is no encapsulation, there is no data security. So account balance equal to minus 5,000 means it will be accepted. It should not allowed. As per the rules, business rules, it should not be allowed. The balance should not be in a negative value. Like if we are taking the age should be in a positive value range, it should not be in the negative range. No one can have the age like a minus 29 or minus 39. Okay, so it should not be negative. Suppose business rule says it will be allowed because you're directly accessing. Public access modifier is that you can access the data member by the help of object reference sharing. Systems allows invalid data. So it results in incorrect calculation, system crashes later, financial errors may come. We're checking the balance instead of 10 lakh, it shows minus 10 lakh, what will happen? So you have to validate it. Next, no security because sensitive data is exposed. Anyone can read or modify. Example, balance is a secure data. So if unauthorized persons are coming, they can directly modify it. Should not be allowed. So confidence information exposed to everyone. No access control. Only these persons should access. There is no access control. Security risk is there. We can't give any guarantee. No one should hack the data. Banking systems must protect financial data. It plays a vital role. Fourth one breaks the business rules. So what is that breaks business rule? Withdrawal alone only if sufficient balance exists. Without encapsulation, you should not bypass the withdrawal logic. Am I right? Example, what they're doing here, if they're having the balance like minus 1 crore, you are withdrawing the amount like a 10 lakh or a 15 lakh. How it is possible? You're already having the balance like in a negative direction. Okay. So withdrawal only if sufficient balance exists. Example, you're already having the amount like 1 crore in your account. If you are withdrawing 1 lakh 10,000, what will happen? It should not allow. So the user skip rules like without encapsulation means there is no validation at all. This is like a normal program I'm telling, traditional one. So minimum balance, transaction checks, logging, user will skip these rules. They won't check the balance at all, how much they are having. Already my account balance is 50,000 means if I like to withdraw 70,000, it should give the alert. Okay, it should not allowed first of all. But if you're using a normal, a traditional way of a reference variable dot object, and then if you're doing this means no use. Business logic becomes useless. Not industry standards. Modern software systems follows the data ID, controlled access, security API. These are the expectation as in the industry. If you're giving the public data, it violates the object-oriented design principle itself. So professional systems will follow the banking, healthcare, sports, so and so. Never expose core data directly because these are sensitive data. I hope this session is useful to you. If you have any queries, drop your comments in the comment section. We will give a reply. Thank you for watching.